Do you want to convert your Thunderbird MBOX files into Outlook PST format? Introducing Regain Thunderbird to Outlook Converter, an advanced software to effortlessly convert your Mozilla Thunderbird emails to Outlook PST and many more formats. To download this software on your device, go to Google and search for Regain Thunderbird to Outlook Converter. On Google search results, open the first web page. This is the official website of Regain software. Here, click on the free download button and download the trial version of the software. Once the software is successfully downloaded on your device, simply click on the setup file and provide administrative permission. In the installation wizard, simply follow a few on-screen prompts and the software will be successfully installed on your device. You can see it's so simple to install the software. Now let's run the software and check out its features. This is the dashboard of the software. Here first you will need to import your Thunderbird MBOX files. For that, click on the Add MBOX File Folder button. Select the folder where your MBOX files are saved and click OK. Then click on the Next button. As a result, the MBOX file will be successfully imported on this software. Simply just click on it, and you will be able to preview all the emails of that MBOX file. Now click on any email, and you can preview it at the bottom left panel. To start converting your MBOX files, click on the Export button. Here you have the option to convert your MBOX files into PST, EML, EMLX, MSG, HTML, and PDF formats. As per our target, I am selecting the Outlook PST format. And then click on the Browse button. Select a destination where you want to save the output PST files and click OK. Finally, click on the Convert Now button. Within a few seconds, the conversion will be successfully completed and the output PST file will be saved on your selected location. This way you can use this software and easily convert your Thunderbird MBOX files into Outlook PST format. Besides the conversion, this software also supports the cloud migration feature. You can directly migrate your MBOX files data into Office 365 or Exchange Server, Amazon Workmail, and if you select any of the above 4 options, a new wizard will open. Here you can connect your Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Yandex Mail, Rediff Mail, Zoho Mail, GoDaddy Outlook or MSN or Hotmail, hosting or webmail, IMAP, or other accounts and directly migrate your MBOX files data to these email accounts. For this tutorial, I will show how you can connect your Gmail account and migrate the MBOX files data into it. For that, first select the Gmail or G Suite option. Then enter your Gmail email address. Enter the correct password. Here, make sure to enter the app password in case two-step verification is turned on in your Google account. Then simply click on the Login button. In this wizard, simply click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the migration process will be started, and once it's done, all the emails will be successfully migrated to the Gmail mailbox. Here you can see that the migration process has been completed. So to verify the migration, let's open Gmail. Here you can see that a new level has been created, and all the emails of the MBOX file has been successfully migrated. That's all about the software tutorial. If you have found this software useful, purchase it and enjoy all the premium benefits. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with our social media profiles.